I was born in Sierra Leone during the Civil War. After I lost my parents, I was brought to an orphanage. During that time, I was about 4 years old. I found a magazine with an image of a ballerina on it. I didn't know exactly what it was back then, but it looked like a fairy to me. When I was younger, it was really hard for me to express myself with language, so I expressed myself while I was dancing. I was a very angry child, and I didn't understand why all those bad things had happened to me. I used to hold a grudge against the rebels for killing my father. Once I forgave them, I realized that it doesn't matter anymore. Dancing is what really helped me to overcome the nightmares of the past. When I'm on stage, I'm in my own little world. It's my fairy tale, ballet.